Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys we are going to talk about guys how can we on our eye care mode setting in our Technophone. Means guys eyes protection guys you want to on in your Technophone, so as you can on it. And guys now let's see how to on eye care mode setting in our Technophone. In this video guys I will show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so guys first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now let's start the video friends. First of all guys, open your phone setting to on it, and guys scroll and guys you can see your display and brightness setting. So guys tap here, and guys you can see your eye care. So guys tap here, then guys you can on from here. So after guys you can see your phone screen brightness will increase and decrease automatic, as you can see. And as you can see your eyes care notification. So I hope friends you have understood how to on eye care mode in our Technophone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends. And guys sorry for this outside sign guys, ignore it, I am really sorry.